Hey guys, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate. So today we're gonna continue on with our process of making money using my lead gen secrets here on Clickbank. Case study. All right, so now as we can look down here, we did get a sale.
Nice.
Now we're just gonna refresh it and make sure you can tell that it's 100% authentic. Make sure when you're looking at a screen like this, it's very easy to edit these bars, these numbers, very easy to edit them. So make sure that they refresh when they show you these stuff, right? Just make sure for yourself so you know for sure. That's how you know it's authentic, right? What I just showed you was authentic. Now it's very easy to edit all of these numbers around. All right, so anyway, let's keep it moving. So we're gonna go to the marketplace here. We're gonna stick to the product we've been using. I probably should change at this point, but we're gonna stick to it. E-business, e-marketing. This is the product we've been promoting here. Gravity score of 245, which is kind of ridiculous for e-business, e-marketing product. The highest I've seen them is like 300. What product was it? I believe it was perpetual income. This used to have a gravity of 300. Like it was selling like crazy for a minute there. I kind of want to promote it because it's probably the best. You see this average conversion rate, $411. I'm thinking about trying to promote it, but we ain't gonna. We're gonna stick to what's working. This is more like a test. I honestly do these just to show you guys you can make money with my lead gen secrets, and kind of just that's all there is to it. So we're gonna go ahead and promote this real quick. Let's go to the affiliate page here and get us an email. So we're gonna go down to email swipe. So we're gonna look around a little bit, see which one sounds good. I feel like I got all of these. Hold on, let me see. Let's just go to mailing system. We'll just go with this Instagram here. We'll just put these in brackets like that. I'll leave it like that. Then you just delete this like this, right? We're gonna go back to here. We're just gonna copy paste, guys. Very simple, very simple. Now the idea, we're gonna do something slightly different today, but I'll show you when I get to it, right? Anywhere in the world. So. Thing looks solid, best wishes. That. I'm gonna pick my name. I'm gonna just pick my name. Some people get turned off by like a signature like that. So you just gotta keep trying stuff. We're looking for people. This is race from country, because it doesn't need to have it in there. A name, we can just delete that. Fit first name fits here. Looks good. Alright, that looks good. So this is the Instagram offer. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find this particular landing page here. So we're looking for upload Instagram pics. So we'll go up here. Go right here, hot link generator, job page, landing page. We're looking for upload Instagram pics. We just go down into it. There we go. Instant cruise. Have my name there, tracking ID, GS1, generate hot link, boom. So that's how we're gonna do it real quick. We're gonna deliver to particular pages that the email is talking about and see what happens. Right, so gonna do that for a while, see what happens. Get that in like that. It's already bold. Everything looks good. Make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time that people open their email. So for example, you open yours at like 10 o'clock. The email will come in at 10 o'clock, so it'll show up at the top of their Google mail or whatever mail they sign in under. And there you go. That looks pretty good. It looks pretty solid. So we're gonna just send it like that. Gonna hit the preview, make sure the link works. And the link works. Alright, so uploading Instagram pics. So it says exactly what the email is saying. So we're just gonna send an email like this. Boom. And we're pretty much done, guys. We're done. How long did that take? It took me 6 minutes. 6 minutes, 30 seconds, something like that. And I was slightly indecisive on the email to send, so that's fine. It could have been shorter than that. But what I'm saying is this takes very little time out of your day to do, right? So we're just gonna. The reason why I open a new tab because I got more than one account. So you got more than one account, you just click on a new tab like that because you want to send the same email. You just got a new. You want to send it to different accounts. Some accounts work really well, and some accounts just don't do that good. So that's why you want multiple accounts. Let me see. So we're gonna copy this and paste it. Delete. We're gonna copy this and then paste it once again. I'm gonna change this to MLGS2. Make sure we know which account this comes from. All right, that looks good. So we're gonna send the email, hit perfect timing, send the email. Done. With the second account, just that quick, right? So we're gonna keep it moving here. We're gonna go to the next account, third account here. Our third account, mailing system here. And we're just gonna copy here. Just like that. Post it in like that. Boom, boom. All right. And we just gotta change this from 1 to 3. And we are good, guys. We send the email, we are done. That's all it takes, guys. Very easy, very simple. Anybody can do it. You know what I mean? There's a link in the description. You want to sign in, no problems. Another thing you could do is make these videos here. Make these videos here. I've gotten sales just making these videos here off of my lead gen secrets. So I want to make sure you guys do it as well. And I'll see you guys. Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so y'all will know when I send out a new video. And I know I've been cutting down on the videos lately. I'm sorry about that. I've been trying stuff out, see if it works. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.